Back locally now, Maggotty High School in St. Elizabeth were the recipients of cricket gear and supplies valued at close to 2 million Jamaican dollars from a charity organization in England. It was Vincent Lindo, a native of St. Elizabeth who was living in England, who started the drive to collect gear for the school. Lindo then sold the idea to Gary Stanier of Spider Bat in the UK, who brought in Jays Britain, and they were instrumental in putting things together.
Vincent, upon completing games at the end of the season in the UK, would have been offered gears from players. You know, in those first world countries, sponsorship changes and new gears come each season. So bear in mind too that these are not new gears, they are used, but they are practically new. And so he would have gotten the benefit of those gears from players over the years. And that tradition is now being continued.
Principal Sean Graham says that the gesture is a welcomed one.
You know, we are into holistic development, and the development of our students in sports is very important. Hurricane Melissa would have destroyed all our cricket gear. And so to have this reinvestment of probably nearly $2 million is so important, not just for us as a school, but for the students, athletes in particular.
However, Maggotty High will not take part in the Easter Headley Cup competition this season as they are rebuilding their program.
So we're only doing the under 16 and the under 14 competition this year. But previously, we have won for quarterfinals. And that, if you're familiar with Odin Simit, he's a past student at the school. He went through the system and went on to play at the highest level and franchise cricket around the world.